If you want to secure your Gmail account and protect your personal data, this step by step guide will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From here, you might see an option called Recommended Actions. If it's not available, tap on it to open the Manage Your Google account. Now, inside the Security and Sign In on the second section, tap on it. Make sure to add a recovery phone number and a recovery email address. And it is then tab on recovery email. And you can see the recovery email and add recovery email. And you see the recovery email and you can see email account, save it. This helps you recover your Gmail account and improves overall Google account security. So, yeah, that's how you can easily secure your Gmail account and keep your data safe.